So I got some extra fishing line and my first aid kit, chainsaw. I'd say I'm ready for another kayak fishing adventure. Hey, I'm Mark Maule on Midwest Outdoors today. I'm in northern Minnesota in my kayak chasing panfish using a variety of hard baits. Stick around, I'm going to show you a few of the presentations that I like to use throughout the fall period. Boy, they're right up there. Oh, water temp's 56. It's actually gone up 2 degrees since yesterday, despite that cold this morning. Oh, this first batch could be good too. Look at that. Well, that took one drop. One fish, one drop. Beautiful crappie right there. Dandy. Yep, got him. Feels like another decent crappie. Oh, little boogie. Little fish. You gotta go home though, buddy. Whew. Got that one. Oh, that's a good one. Ooh, that might be a net fish. Oh gosh, this feels like a nice one. Oh boy. Giant bluegill. Nothing like catching big bull bluegills on crankbaits for bass. Look at the size of this fish. So I'm actually using a bait that's renowned to catch bass. It's a 2 1/8 inch Yozuri Rattling Vibe, and here I've got a luminescent pattern which actually glows in the dark. So it just gives it a little bit, makes it a little bit easier for the fish to see it when it's down there. But it's a pretty big bait, but that's a pretty big bluegill. Today I'm fishing in less than 20 feet of water because a lot of the bigger aggressive panfish, crappies and bluegills alike, they don't all head out to the basin at the same time. And a lot of times, oh, I missed them. A lot of times when you get the fish in shallow water like this in fall, they're there to do one thing because they are hungry. All they want. Is there a fish on there? Oh, there's a fish on there. Whoa, a little boogie monster. But, I mean, that's a small sunfish, and he T-boned that mini crankbait. You gotta go home, buddy. Woo. So that was a classic case of not taking my line out of the water when I'm adjusting my kayak. Can't tell you how many times big panfish, crappies, bluegills, and even perch will come up and they'll hit that crankbait as I'm adjusting. Got him. Oh, good fish. What do we got here? Oh, big crappie. Big crappie. That'll work. Holy cow, he T-boned it too. No doubt he was gonna eat that minnow. No question about it. Got him. Oh, that might be a big, I don't know if it's a bluegill or a crappie. Oh my gosh, big pumpkin head. Holy cow. I'm even gonna take a picture of this one. Look at the size of that pumpkin seed hitting a 2 1/8 inch Rattling Vibe. That is for real. Wow, what an awesome, just precious super fish. Holy cow. Oh man, the school is coming in. Oh man. Could have been perch ranas, I think. Oh boy. Oh, I don't know what that was. Really whacked it though. Got one reacting. Got him. Oh, feels like a good fish. Big bluegill maybe? Has he got some jets on him, that's for sure. Another beautiful bluegill. Hold on there, buddy. You know, we've had a pretty awesome day on the water with some great bluegill action, some really nice crappies, and a giant pumpkin seed. So I think we're gonna wrap it up with this one. If you're interested in learning more about Yo-Zuri products, go to yo-zuri.com. I'm Mark Maule, and Midwest Outdoors. We'll be right back. Oh, no.